Edo Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don set up Edo State Public Response Safety Team (PRST) to help solve the frequent traffic wahala wey dey shele for King Square, Benin City and other busy junctions. The traffic jam na sake of people wey dey park anyhow, dey pick and drop passengers anyhow, street traders and other things wey dey disturb the flow of traffic. The coordinator of the team, Kelly Okugbawa, wey people sabi as Ebo Stone, for one sensitization waka for the city center, come yarn say the exercise na important one to make sure say the people sabi the team so that law and order go fit return. Okungbawa Koyan said the governor created the public response safety team to help clear the city center, and their work now to make sure say street traders, market women and drivers where they park anyhow or trade anyhow go dey controlled to allow traffic flow wella. A constantly clear the air say them never start to arrest anybody yet, but instead they don't start sensitization for the public, make them sabi say the government no go tolerate illegal street trading, parking and passenger picking. A talk say e dey very clear say Edo government no go allow anything wey dey illegal or not follow law. Say e no go be like before as them get instruction to clear the city center and other areas, make law and order return and traffic go flow wella. A constant talk say security agencies they work with the PRST to make sure say the law they enforced, and say them go also set up mobile courts where go they try people wey not follow the law, and if they find them guilty, them go do community service as punishment.
We are here to clear Ring Road, King Square and all the streets around the King Square. And to pass Ring Road these days is a problem. Not only Ring Road, all the city center in Benin. So now the governor deemed me fit that for him to introduce public safety response team, for us to come to the streets and clear the street traders and the market women. And that's what we have been doing since morning. The bus driver, the taxi driver, the market women, anything that has to do with street trading and traffic, that is our job. For the now, we've not started arrest. Our goal is to sanitize the whole environment for them to understand that we are on board. Even before we came this morning, we came and we were making awareness to the public that it's not going to be business as usual, that the government have asked us to come and do the needful, and that is why we are here. So with time, we'll also communicate to the public because we have a mobile court that will be taking the offenders to. And if you are found guilty, you would go for community service, because the governor have told us not to take anybody to the prison, but we must follow the law. So that's why we have the security agencies with us, we have the health officer, and we also set up a mobile court by the grace of God. So for the now, from now till Saturday, we'll just be doing it to create awareness, to let them know that we are on ground, that they should go to the Central Park for the bus driver, then for the market women, they should go inside the market. They will not shade on the walkway, and that's why we are here. We are going to have 2 shifts. We'll have some that will work in the morning, close by 4, while we'll have others I will start from 4, I will close by 8 in the evening. So we have plans for that. Because Edo must be clean and neat.
While Kelly Okungbawa they addressed the PRST members for Oba Akenzua Cultural Center, Okungbawa come beg them to maintain good character and say it no go good make anybody hear or say one of them they smoke or drink while they wear the PRST uniform. Say make them always behave well and show good example.
Some of us that is familiar with this job, we know how we do the job before now. Today, we are starting from Ring Road and New Benin Axis, and all the environs, Mission Road, Apapava. We are going to stretch it to all the local governments in the state. And by the grace of God, all of us will be engaged. And you must dress responsible.
Thomas Ihahale, health officer with Edo State Waste Management Board under Ministry of Environment, we also join body with the PSRT for the sensitization exercise. Konya and say,
a very commendable one. We like them well. At least this one now they come to complement what it offered day on ground since trying to make sure say our city they clean and also they at least they fine for eye. So this new initiative of the public safety response team now go give us more hands, more manpower to make sure say we fit talk to our people, control them, let them know what they're supposed to do, and making sure that they keep to run so that our city go there clean. Yes, now very good initiative.
Very, very sweet and very, very fine. This is what I like as a good citizen of this country. So even this man, when I've been hearing about him, our sitting governor, I know that the man, he will clear the shit of Edo State. I know the man is a very nice man. Even the time of election, I'm happy that such a man is coming who can take care of Edo State.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.